we went to the catacombs and I didn't want to wake the spirits, and we went to Notre Dame and it was like quiet. But now we're at the Louvre. Look at this. What? So beautiful. I feel like Wonder Woman. Four trains have been delayed, and this is the outcome. We've been waiting for an hour.
I'll be leader, you can march behind. Come with me and see what we can find. Let's all go down the Strand. Oh, what a happy land. That's the place for fun and noise, all among the girls and boys. So let's all go down the Strand. Right, now we'll have a little...
I found this cat on campus who's missing part of her, I think, or his ear. But he kind of looks like my old cat, who is so precious, who I love so much. So this is just lovely to me. It brings back memories and makes me happy. Hi, what's your name? Do you have a name? You're so cute. So we are on a scavenger treasure hunt for class. It's our last day of class. It's kind of bittersweet. We're running all over London looking for literary spots. We were just at St. Paul's Actors Church, which is featured in the book The Rivers of London and in several Sherlock Holmes. And now I don't actually know where we're going. Lyceum. We're going to the Lyceum for some reason. I'm just the photographer in this. We are at a pop-up exhibition for graphic design of Harry Potter, Fantastic Beasts, all that stuff. Oh, I'm like warm, my face is really red. But let me just show you guys all these cool things we're looking at.
Very